Hello guys, so this video was made before the Uzuakoli Road was asphalted. So guys, this is Umuahia Uzuakoli-Ohafia Road that is under construction. So as you can see, I just crossed over from Umuahia to Uzuakoli, and the Uzuakoli part, as at when I did this video, wasn't asphalted, but then currently the road has been poured with asphalt and then is very motorable right now. So this video is a before and now video, so kindly watch this video down to the end. I'm going to take you through this road down to some certain point where I'm going to show you what this road looks like currently. Yes, so this is Uzuakoli, and of course, if you are conversant with this road, the two sides of the road is, what you'll be seeing is palm trees. Uzuakoli, they have a lot of palm trees. They should be among the top producing areas of palm oil in Abia State. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, watch this video, and if you find it interesting, you can click the subscribe button and the notification bell above, so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be among the first people to watch my videos. So you can see how the road is very, very dusty. But then when you see what the road is right now, my brother, no dust. It's very clean. In fact, if you drive past, nothing like say dust, they worry you. So guys, this is Uzuakoli. It's just very close to Umuahia, 13 km, just some minutes from Umuahia, maybe 20 to 29 minutes. The people of Uzuakoli, they are very rich in agriculture. If you can see, beside the roads, we're passing a lot of palm plantations. Not just that, they also plant rice, potato, and they have a very big market. When you come to their market, a lot of things, they are rich in terms of agriculture. Food, they have it all barakasa. You understand? A friend of mine told me they have a dam in Uzuakoli. I don't even know how true it is. Maybe an abandoned one. Okay, so just kindly watch this video down to the end and see for yourself what this road looks like, how far they have come with the construction of this road. So guys, this is Uzuakoli, and this is how the road is currently. Yes, this is the ancient kingdom of Uzuakoli, where you have one of the oldest secondary schools in Nigeria, Methodist College. I did a video about Methodist College last year. It's here on my channel. And apart from Methodist College, we have a lot of interesting things in Uzuakoli. So you can see how the road is now. The road is better than it was before, because they have asphalted this side. They have asphalted Uzuakoli. You understand? So watch the video down, as I'm going to take you very close to Umuahia, so you can see for yourself, in Oza the Zeka Watara. All need subscribe yet. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell above. Just keep watching, because the places I passed in the first section of the video, I'm still going to pass there, so that you can see for yourself, because they say seeing is believing. So you can see for yourself that truly all those areas I showed you in the first section of this video, in the before of this video, have been asphalted. So people can now drive through this road without worrying about so much dust because of the asphalt, on this road. Unlike, in the before, where you could see that work was still going on and everywhere was looking so dusty. The Umuahia Uzuakoli-Ohafia Road was awarded by the Executive Governor of Abia State. This road was formerly dilapidated, but now, as you can see, is wearing a new look already. Now, the construction or reconstruction of this road is going to help the movement of people and goods from one location, from the rural areas to the urban areas. So economically, you can see how this road is going to help boost the economy of Abia State, and it's going to also help people to avoid going to the mechanic every now and then, because I'm sure that motorists that used to use this road before, now, my brother, like this, mechanic, but now you can be moving through this road, you can be driving through this road on South Africa or America without any boom boom, no galloping. So guys, if you haven't subscribed again, please kindly click the subscribe button and notification bell above. Thanks for watching this video up to this extent. Kindly watch down to the end. Now that first side at the beginning of this video, true.